oroma ilu. Zita. Zita, why didn't you try from here? It came from English word. Okay, mine is Nkozo. Oroma. Kedu ihe bụ oroma? Jide, what is oroma?
Oroma
is what?
Watermelon?
Oroma is what?
No, I do not know.
Orange. Oroma. Achọrọ m ịracha oroma. I want to lick an orange. Oroma. Ibechala. Arụchi agọzie m. You see, but I don't know. Oh, there is oroma. Oroma. Okay. Oroma again. Oroma ilu. Oroma ilu. Okay. This is a lemon. Oh, you're writing what is on the screen? This one is of child. You can comprehend. Go and call him with some bullshit and be tired for her. Well, now I need one. Sheki? Now I need one. Anyo miri. Anyo miri. Where? Where? Usiya ike. Say it louder. Zita, you're not saying anything. Anyo miri. Everything. Basara mkpụrụ osisi.
Oh, Jesus.
Can you talk back to me, Igbo? Ịgụpụta ihe niile idere n'akwụkwọ gị.
Say Elma.
Eh? Have you finished writing? Anyị chere nwada zitara. Chere okwu aka gị. Chere na Okpo. Where? Okpo. Zita, don't just be writing. Can you please involve in everything we are doing? Do you hear me? Open your mouth and talk. Don't focus on copying, writing. When you write something that you cannot read, it doesn't make any meaning. Zita. Ngwakwe, okpo. This is called what? Cashew in English. Cashew. Okpo. Usie ya ike. Okpo. Cashew. Udara. That's Igbo cherry. Udara. You like udara?
Yes.
Okay. Udara. Zitas. Where udara? Udara. Can you do Igbo na udara? Cherry. Igbo cherry. Unere. Achọrọ m iri unere. Achọghị m unere. Kama achọrọ m anyụ mmiri. What is anyụ mmiri again? Anyụ mmiri. Watermelon. Chiagozie m daalụ. Imere nke ọma. Anyụ mmiri. Watermelon. Did I hope you're following? You know, are you following? Okay. Cucumber. Anda. It's called what in English? Cucumber. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ okpo?
beautiful.
People kwara chiagozie maka. Dalu chiagozie imela. Unere, kedu ihe anyị na-akpọ unere? Banana, dalu chekina. Ube bekee. What happened to your book? Ube bekee. Ube bekee. Avocado. Dalu. Oroma nkirisi. Oroma nkirisi. Lime. Lime. If I answer them, they'll play you. Answer my question. Lime. Oroma ilu. Lemon. Jide, are you sure you're with us? Are you with us? Are you with us? You are with us. Okay, I hope you're comprehending. You're comprehending. Okay, anyonda. Cucumber. Oh, chimo. They won't need that. Anyonda. Cucumber. Man, we go move. Ngwaneanya. Ide. Anya Igbo nyai. Achicha bekee.
Achicha bekee.
Achicha bekee.
Achicha bekee.
Achicha bekee. See, let me tell you something, please. So, there's something you're going to do there. Before you start writing anything, before you start writing anything, you first of all do what? Look at the screen as you are doing what? Pronouncing the fruits. First of all, you identify the fruits, you see their names before you start writing. Don't just bend down and be writing. I'm talking to you because I'm talking about because of Zita. Do you hear me? Let's identify first, please. Achicha bekee. Achicha bekee. Apple. Now you can write. Achicha bekee. Apple. Achicha bekee. Apple. Achicha bekee. Apple. Ọ bụrụ na idecha ikwe edechala m. Daalụ nwada. Mere nke ọma. Edechala m. Daalụ Shekina. No, daalụ Eunice nwaka ego. Daalụ Zita. Otuboala. Otuboala. Where? Otuboala. 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 What is that? Tomatoes. Otuboala. Tomato. Did they like? Oh, people are ahead of me. Otuboala. Tomato. Otuboala. Tomato. Kedu ihe anyị kpọrọ achịcha bekee? Kedu ihe anyị kpọrọ achịcha bekee? Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị? Apple. Otuboala. Tomato. Otuboala. Tomato. Did I ignore it?
Very good.
No, she's too. I didn't finish writing. You get child and Zita. Tomato. Angara.
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 Angara. Garden egg. Angara. You can see there's something on top of that N. Angara. Garden egg. Angara. Garden egg. Angara. Garden egg. Angara. Garden eggplant. Garden egg. Angara. Angara. Garden egg. Angara. Garden egg. Etechalam dalu deme. Wada. Kailaya na nke ọzọ. Nke na-asị akị bekee. Akị bekee. Akị bekee. Coconut. 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 Achọrọ m ịta akị bekee. Achọrọ m ịta akị bekee. Akị bekee na-atọ ụtọ. Kedu ihe m kwuru? Very good. Thank you. Siki, you are already there. Akị bekee, coconut. Akị bekee, coconut. Maazị nwere ike for?
Yeah.
Strawberry. 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 That is strawberry. 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 Strawberry.
So.
Nke ọzọ dịka nwanne nke a na-akpọ ugiri bekee. Ugiri bekee. Ugiri bekee. Mango. Ugiri bekee. Kwee ya. Ọzọ. Kwụsie ya ike.
Ugiri bekee.
Kwụsie ya ike. Kpọọ ya. Ugiri bekee. Ugiri bekee. Achọrọ m ịnụ olu gị sita. Kwuo ya. Ugiri bekee. Ugiri bekee. Jide ugiri bekee.
Ugiri bekee.
Mango.
Hey, okay. Felicito.
Nye m ugiri bekee. Achọrọ m ugiri bekee. Ugiri bekee na-asọ ụsọ. Zita, ọ bụrụ na idecha igwe anyị na idechala, anyị gaa n'iru. Ugiri bekee. Ugiri bekee. Daalụ nwada Zita.
Wat is erop?
Jide? Okay. He's still right there. Jide, once you're done, let us know by the challenge. Carrot. Carrot. Nke ndị oyibo na-akpọ carrot. Carrot. Nke ndị oyibo na-akpọ carrot. Carrot. Nke ndị oyibo na-akpọ carrot in English. Carrot. 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 That is carrot. 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 Ọ bụrụ na idecha ikwu edechala m. anything else? Did you?
Onye kuzi. How do you say what you told Igbo?
Igbo. Apple.
Apple.
Olu.
Apple or do you want to go to the bank?
You want to go to the toilet?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Achọrọ m ịnyụ mamịrị kwuo ya.
What?
Achọrọ m ịnyụ mamịrị.
I don't know.
No, that's what I have nothing else.
Okay. I'm gonna go and keep
Apple, olu, pineapple. Have you taken this down?
Yeah.
Is this the spelling of pineapple from the television? Check very well from the screen. Pineapple. Apple olu. Dịka anyị na-eche jide ka ọ pụta, ka anyị jụọ onwe anyị ajụjụ. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ ube? Igbo pịa, daalụ, daalụ. Ube bekee. Okay. Zita, kedu ihe bụ oroma nkịrịsị? Zita, kedu ihe bụ oroma nkịrịsị? I'm asking you what is oroma nkịrịsị? Chiagoziem, kedu ihe bụ oroma nkịrịsị? Kedu ihe bụ oroma nkịrịsị? Shekina, kedu ihe bụ oroma nkịrịsị? Lime. Kedu ihe anyị na-akpọ oroma iru? Lemon. Zita, kedu ihe bụ oroma iru? Lemon, daalụ. Oroma, Chiagoziem, kedu ihe bụ oroma? Orange, thank you. Anyụ mmiri, nwaka ego, kedu ihe bụ anyụ mmiri? Watermelon. Okpokpo, kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ihe bụ okpokpo? Zita, ị chọrọ ịgwa anyị ihe bụ okpokpo? Yes. Cashew, daalụ, ịzara nke ọma. Ụdara, Chiagoziem, kedu ihe bụ ụdara? Chere ka mma na Chiagoziem ọ ga-aza anyị. Chiagozie, kedu ihe bụ ụdara? Ụdara. Igbo cherry. I will come back to ask you again. Igbo cherry. Unere. Zita, gwa m ihe bụ unere. Banana, daalụ. Anyụnda. Nwaka ego, kedu ihe bụ anyụnda? Cucumber. Daalụ, mere nke ọma, ịzara nke ọma. Ugiri bekee. Ugiri bekee, kedu ihe bụ ugiri bekee? Mango. Strawberry. Carrot. Aṅara. Jide, kedu ihe bụ aṅara? Garden egg. Achịcha bekee. Achịcha bekee. Achịcha bekee is apple. Achịcha bekee. Apple. Say it. Achịcha bekee. Apple. Otuboala. tomato. Apple. 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 Pineapple. Okay, I know about the last slide. Okay. Very fast. Be very fast. Very, very fast. I've counted. I've counted 1. Number 2.
I thought you were going to skip
Otu. Abụọ Chiagozie m. Abụọ na ọkara. That's 2.5.
So I'm 3 seconds.
Welcome to Igbo.
I thought it was
Okay.
Line in.
oh, it's from the speaker. No, it's not. From here. So what is it? The other person.
Yeah. So, here I'm all about with Igbo dị iche iche. Ihe eji achọrọ wee malụfa atụ ya na achọghị n'ime ihe ebe kesị fa ngwa mezeri ahụ sentence. It should be 5 sentences with achọrọ, 5 sentences with achọghị. Emechi for this, I will come in for food. Emechi for tea.
Look up please.
Ngwa lee n'anya na mkpịsị
Lee n'anya.
Lee n'anya na
Ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị. N'anya. We are going to have a class drill. So look up. I want to give you an example on how to write it in your book. Achọrọ m igosi gị etu ị ga-esi dee ya.
No, after this class,
Your
after this class,
go now, go. Achọrọ m ịta akwụ oru.
There, oh, you get no bullet.
Okay, what it means?
Yes. Can you see what's on the board?
yes.
Good.
Achọrọ m ịta akwụ oru. I want to eat pineapple. I'm trying to give you an example.
So Auntie is making an example with achorum. I want.
I want.
Mhm.
Achọrọ m. Should I give you an example?
What it's okay, then achom.
Achọghị m.
Here, what space? Achorum. Can you make achorum?
Achọrọ m. Sorry. Achọrọ m oroma. Sorry. Do you have water there? Achọrọ m oroma nkịrịsị. I don't want lime. You know lime is not sweet. Have you tasted lime before? Lime.
Sugar.
Lime. The little lime. Not lemon. Not orange. That small one that looks like tennis ball.
Yes.
Very sad.
And tasty as
Bitter.
milk.
I don't like it. Achọghị. Now look at the board. Achọrọ m ịta akwụ oru. I want to eat pineapple. Achọghị means I don't want. Achorom, I don't want. Achorom oroma nkirisi, I don't want line. Now, in your own book, you are going to give us what? 5 examples with I want, achorom, using different fruits. Zita, do you understand what I'm saying? You are going to write using I want, achorom, nasusibo, achorom, using different fruits. Achorom, eta, akworu.
So food will come first. Some are going to use food. Are you done? Is the task hard? Fast. The fruits are there for you already. So keep picking them up one after the other. Achorom.
Like nwatakịrị a dere ebe o dere ụda a na-aracha ka a na-aracha ọhụrụ. So kedu ihe mmemme ha? De ịracha n'ebe ịracha. You didn't do. You didn't. Achọrọ iri nri ọzọ. Maazị Nola. Okay. You did. I hope you're right. Is that possible? Okay, in your yes. You will after your class. Ebe anyị mejọrọ na n'ihe anyị depụtara a na-agọbịa na-enye anyị otu ka ihe m na-akpọ ya spelling awa achọrọ m and ọ bụrụ na anyị ji akara wee differentiate ya all these sign I didn't really waste so I don't know how to put those signs ọ metara ihe nne ka anyị hapụ ya mgbiti mana ị mana elema will just read that achọrọ m ị ghọtara ihe gwuru achọrọ m nke ni achọrọ m so n'ife na differentiate in Igbo language bụ those akara ọ bụ na Mrs. Don't do that.
She put her hand in my mouth.
Why?
It was not a mistake. It was not a mistake. You stretch over and put your hand in my mouth.
I want to Mrs. Agatha ga enwe ike tinyere anyị akara maka ọsọ nyewa ga-enwe ike differentiate nke a na nke
anyị use achọghị
m kama ejize maka use biro chie na akwụkwọ
ngwa nke ọbụla
onye ọzọ ebuo ya ọ ya na-asị kiri ngwa naa ya jide nọdụ I'm coming na one side gwa gee ntị
listen up.
gee ntị
Auntie wants to make an observation on the board.
gee ntị
Gee
o nwere
ntị.
ihe m chọrọ ịgwa anyị tell us something achọrọ m ịta I want to achọghị m oroma means I don't want. If you look at these two words, it's the same spelling, isn't it? A layman will just pronounce it as achorom. In Igbo language, we have signs that we use, just like if you are doing Yoruba in school, you notice that they used to put those is tone. Achogem, achorom, awagem, all those things mean something. Okay, for us to be able to differentiate I don't want from I want, let's use achogem.
Can you quote me? Let's say it.
Achogem. Just like yesterday, I noticed that most of you, we are giving the annual miri. What is annual miri? Watermelons. Some people say achogim. I don't know. Achogim. Sorry, I have to cancel it again. Achogim. I'll use my red barrel to correct for. I'll correct for you. Okay. Now we have Eta means to eat or to chew, not eat, chew. Then we have Iracha. Means to lick. There are fruits that you can chew or you can bite. While some, if you want, you lick it just like Odara, the cherry. Do you bite cherry? What do? You lick it. Is it so? We have Eta and we have Iracha. So you can't say Achorom Eta Odara. The right word there is what? Iracha. Iracha. Achorom Iracha Odara. Achorom Iracha Ube. Do you?
Okay, if you do, look at this fruit on the board. Oroma. Anaracha oroma, kanato oroma. Do you eat oroma or do you lick oroma? Do you chew oroma or do you lick oroma?
I eat.
Hmm?
I eat.
So you're going to say achometa oroma. If you are saying you eat oroma, it means you want to say I eat oroma. Do you eat oroma?
What do? You lick or she says she licked.
Yeah, I lick orange or I drink orange because it is juicy.
You don't eat.
So like when you're eating that, so it's just magically.
The refugees.
I eat that.
Okay. After her marking, we'll go to the last class for the day.
I don't want. Actually,
maybe it was because of that format spelling. What do you call that format spelling?
Don't you wear from cause? Okay. Go to the top now.
I'm based on food.
Okay.
They will use now more of actually.
Okay.
Okay, my only came on.
That name, I want to correct something for you.
Okay, that's the next topic on the board. Rory.
Are you listening?
That's the next topic on the board. So,
did I have fun?
You know, are you good? Hmm? Cha-cha-cha, Igbo kwenu. Yeah. Cha-cha-cha, Igbo kwenu. I want to thank you all for your resilience and the goodness we ever see from my class watching Keta Galcoma. Nebu Oge, I ain't gịnị? Nri. Gịnị? Nri. Nke ndị bekee na-akpọ gịnị? Food. Okay? Ngwadeni n'akwụkwọ unu. Nri. Food. Nri. Food. That's our last topic for today. After this, we return back to our hostels. We go and have our personal time. Nri. Food. Are we good? Anyị dị njikere? Anyị dị njikere? Okay. N'egbughị oge, nke a ka a na-akpọ ndukwu. Ka anyị kwuo nie? Ndukwu. Ka anyị kwuo nie? Repeat after me. Are you listening? Yeah. Ndukwu. Okay, what does it mean? What does it mean? Good. Sweet what? Potato. Good. Nke a bụ ndukwu. This is what? Sweet potato. Nke a bụ ndukwu. This is what? Sweet potato. You can edit isiokwu. You are still writing the topic. Potato on Sunday, fried potato with egg sauce. Beautiful, good. So this is what we call ndukwu, sweet potato. So nke a bụ ndukwu. This is sweet potato. Nke ọzọ bụ gịnị? Ji bekee. That's the next one. Ji bekee. Irish potato. You have to be fast. Ogane doso osiso. Good. Ndukwu, sweet potato. Ji bekee. Irish potato. Nke a bụ ji bekee. Nke a bụ gịnị? Ji bekee. You're not writing Ji bekee. So you write the English translation. Irish potato. Irish what? Potato. So, nke a bụ ji bekee. Nke a bụ gịnị? Ji bekee. Meaning what? This is Irish potato. Unu edechala? Unu edechala? Anyị aga na nke abụọ. We go over to the second one. Okay? To the second one. To this. Oh. Ngwa dị ọsọ onne. They also. Right fast. Is that not where you are? Should I stroll up more? Are you good?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry? I hope you know we use this to make meat pie. Have you eaten meat pie? Have you eaten meat pie? We use this Irish potato to make meat pie. Isn't it?
Yes.
Good. But we use this to do what? We can fry this, we can also cook it. Isn't it?
Yes.
Good. So, nke a bụ gịnị? Nke a bụ gịnị? Nke a bụ. The next one we have is what? Osikapa. Okay, beautiful. Ngwa unu na-anya n'ihe onyonyo. Kedu ife ọ dị ka unu afụrụ n'ihe onyonyo a? Kedu ife ọ dị ka unu afụrụ n'ihe onyonyo a? Rice. Okay, good. Rice. Osikapa. Osikapa. Can we read this together? Ọzọkwakwa. Again. Again. Nke a bụ osikapa. Good. So, unu na-alụ ọ bụrụ na unu chọrọ iri osikapa, kedu ka isi agwa nne gị na ị chọrọ iri osikapa? How best will you tell your mom, I want to eat rice in Igbo? No, when you are king, no one the answer or Zizia.
They actually
Huh? Nne m achọrọ m iri osikapa. Ọ bụ na nne lady singing, Rapumaki Kadron. Mommy tells you, please leave me a bit for you. Nembikonu, Achorom iri usikapa. Which other word again? Ezinem biko, Achorom iri usikapa. Beautiful. Okay. Ngoziabo, nri oka. Again, nri oka. Again, nri oka. Can we take this together? Nka bu nri oka. Meaning what?
This is cereal.
Can I hear you?
This is cereal.
Again,
This is cereal.
take it from here.
Nkabu iri oka.
Again,
Nkabu iri oka.
nka bu nri oka.
Nkabu iri oka.
Not nri oka. Nri oka. Nka bu nri oka. Take it, let's go. Nka bu nri oka. This is what? Cereal. Ngwadenia. How many days you say edechalam? Oh, you are done? Yeah, does so. Onye ka anyị na-eche? Okay, give me examples of other cereal. Give me examples of cereals you take at home. Are you done? We're waiting for you. Give me, yes, let me hear you. Cornflakes, keep writing, that's good. That one? Yes. Golden Moon, Cocoa Pops, Cocoa. Ayaga Lozo. Oh, Gioko. Can we say this?
Gioko.
Again? Gioko. Meaning what? Meaning what?
Plantain.
Good. Meaning what?
Plantain.
Gioko. Can we say that again?
Gioko.
Gioko. Nnam, achọrọ m iri jioko. Dada, my aunt, achọrọ m iri jioko. Nne m, achọrọ m iri jioko. Nke a bụ jioko. This is plantain. Ngwa ka anyị na-anya n'akụkụ nke a. Jide, ngwa gụpụtara anyị ya. Can you read this out?
Utua na ofe.
Take it easy. Take it by syllable. Number 2 syllable. Beautiful. So let's pronounce how many syllables do we have here? 1, 2, 3. Let's pronounce it together. U-ta-ra. Again. U-ta-ra. Again. U-ta-ra. So let's go back to the board. Okay. Utara na gịnị?
Utala
Uh-huh.
na ofe.
Beautiful. And what does it mean?
Swallow and soup.
Swallow and what? Soup. Utara na ofe. Anyị erigo utara na Igbo summer camp. Hmm? Anyị Igbo summer camp. Kedu oge anyị lere ụtara na Igbo summer camp? N'ehihie taa, ọ dị mma, ezigbo nwa jisi ike. So nke a bụ gịnị? Jioko, plantain. Nke a bụ ụtara na ofe, swallow and soup. Okay. And finally you go home. You're so famished, so hungry. And the first person you met at home, maybe uncle came to pick you up from here, not your mom or dad. Your uncle actually came to pick you up here. And finally you're meeting your mom at home, and you feel like taking this. How best will you convey this message to your mom? Achọrọ iri ụtara na ofe. Good. But there was something she said. I don't know. Enwere ife anyị na-akpọ achọrọ m na gịnị? All of you stand up. Stand up. Dịka onye nkụzi si wee kụziere anyị nwere ife anyị na-akpọ gịnị? Ya na gịnị? Achọrọ m, ya na gịnị? So achọrọ means what?
I want.
Achọghị means what?
I don't.
Beautiful. Nne m agụụ na-agụ m. Mom, I am hungry. But your mom will ask you, kedu ife ị chọrọ iri? Ị ga-eri ụtara na ofe? Kedu ife ya aza nne? Remove your from your waist. Okay, you are hungry. After the summer camp, you go home and you are so hungry and you are meeting your mom at home and you are telling your mom, nne, ezigbo agụụ na-agụ m. Your mom will tell you, ị ga-eri, will you eat ụtara na ofe? Will you eat swallow and soup? Kedu ife ya agụ ya? Then what will you respond to your mom? No. What's this? N-double-N-E. Name. Yes? Achọghị iri gịnị? Achịcha. Abacha. Achịcha. Abacha. Achịcha. Abacha. What's achịcha? N'onu bekee. Zam. Kedu ife bụ achịcha? Bread. Read the sentence beneath it. What's the translation in English? This is bread. Good. You got back home after the Igbo summer camp, and mom is not at home, and the only person you found at home is, look at the board, Eunice. D-A-D-A means what? I can't hear you. Auntie. Auntie is at home. But you are so hungry. So how best will you communicate with auntie that you want to eat? Achọrọ m achịcha. Beautiful. Sit down. Follow me, Aka. The next one is abacha. And that goes to Chigozie. Chigozie. What's this? So you can see that abacha doesn't have an English name. So abacha is what? Abacha is what? Can I hear you? Abacha is what? You're distracted. Stop that you are doing. And get ready for after him, you are the next person. Good. Abacha doesn't have what? An English name. So abacha is what? Abacha. Beautiful. This AI abacha, how do you? What's fine? Spaghetti na piece. How do you? It's okay. Take it out on a lighter note. Abacha. Okay. Chigozie, let's have you read this sentence. Not unkabu. Can I hear you say unka? Oh, beautiful. Again?
Nkabu abacha.
Nkabu abacha. What's the translation in English?
This is abacha.
This is what? Abacha. Okay. You didn't go abacha. Have you eaten abacha before? How does it taste? It tastes nice, beautiful. Would you like to eat it in Igbo summer camp? You can like iri abacha na Igbo summer camp. Okay, all them one. Okay. So look at your question. Chigozie. Look at your question. The director of the camp is Unyemazi. I hope you know that. You've been seeing her name everywhere, isn't it? Unyemazi. And all of a sudden you open the menu list. You went to the camp handbook. You went for abacha adiro near. Mano Marcel or Noga Masigi iri abacha na Igbo summer camp. How best will you communicate to Unyemazi that you want to eat abacha? Listen, I'm hearing ochoro. There's no O there. Look at it. A sound what? Beautiful. Achoro. Iri. Gini. Abacha. Or you say achoro. Eta. Abacha. Come me aka. You've answered well. Good. You can have your seat. Baby girl, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, we'll take the next one. Are we good? Wow, this is awesome. Oh, this is awesome. During our alphabet class, we come across this word. J-I is what? G, which means what? Yeah. I really G. Can you guys really? I really got in Igbo summer camp. Have we eaten yam in Igbo summer camp?
Yes.
We've eaten yam. That was when? Last night. Now banana, isn't it? Aha. Look at your question. You were served. Are you listening? Ebunyerogu G. Iwe Lucia. Manoka na goge. You were served yam. After eating, you wanted some more. You're getting it. Say it. Acharon. G. Beautiful. Can you call me Aka? Biko Acharon. G. Good. Okay. This is okay. G. Apple. Can you read this? Good. A lot of food from cassava, such as what? Number one, abacha, gari, yam, beautiful. So we call it ready for the question. Good. Are you ready for the question? Kedu ife di iche?
Cassava is longer and yam is shorter and thicker.
Good. And what about this?
I have a question.
Okay, I'm listening.
You said yam comes from cassava. Isn't the two the same thing?
They are not the same thing, okay? We can also prepare this to be eaten as yam. And that's why they look as if they share the same name. G, apple. Okay? Beautiful. So, is there any other difference you observe? Okay, can I help you out? Okay? Can I help you? Should I help you out? Okay, beautiful. from this G apple, from this cassava, we can get other things such as 1 or 2. Gari. G. Fufu, yes, that's apple. G apple. Good. And finally, we can also get what? Abacha from it. Please give me a round of applause. You have done excellently well. Okay? Wow, this is one of my best food. This is one of my best food. And I think that was what my friend ate that made his stomach so big. Chigozie, you can write now. How many of you like this? You know we're going to eat okpa in Igbo summer camp. You're going to test it this time around. Igbo summer camp has a lot to offer. Okpa. Can I hear you say okpa? Okpa. Nke a bụ what? Nke a bụ gịnị? Nke a bụ gịnị? Okpa. Down. Nke a bụ ọkpa. Okay. Can I help us to pronounce this? Fio. Yes, let me hear you. Foi. Okay. Let me hear you. I don't want to laugh. Don't start coughing.
Isn't it fio?
Fio. Jide, can you try pronouncing this? Fio. It's okay, good. You all did so well. But the right pronunciation is what? Fio. Can I hear you say fio? So not free, from, fufu, fifi, as if you are playing whistle. All of those are sounds of whistle. Like people who are doing athletics. On your mark, let's go. Free. They move. Okay? So, let's get a powerful beginning. Fio. Kaipon your zone. What is spectacular about this food is that they don't have English name. Can you see that? Okpa enwero aha Igbo. It doesn't have an English name. Fio enwero afa Igbo. So, I know Okpa. How many of you are from Enugu State? I think this is their food. Okpa de Oko. Okpa nice man. Good. Okpa and what? Fio. That's good. Oh, these are all of my best food.
I like azu butter.
Wait. I've heard azu. Good. Azu. Come on, you say azu. Can you see that? Azu. And there is azu. Azu means what? Your back. Can I hear you say azu? Azu. So when you hear azu, we are talking about what? Fish. When you hear azu, they have the same spelling, but different what? Pronunciation. What do we call that in English? Is this synonym or antonyms? Words that sound alike? Sorry, words that sound differently, but have the same spelling. That is synonyms. Beautiful. Good. So, azu. So, by the pronunciation, you will know what we're talking about. Okay? So, you know, azu, you know we are talking about our back. Somebody touch your back. Azu, okay? Then this is what? Azu. What do we use this to do? What class of food is this?
Protein.
They're protein. These are proteinous food. Okay, Jide, are you with me? I said these are proteinous food, okay? Good. Azu, the English name is what? Fish. The next one is what? Anu. Yes. Anu. Yes. Zikora, are you here with us? This is what? Anu, beautiful. And that is what? Meat. Okay. Abuna eka. When say na azu, when you again. If you prefer fish, can I see your hands up? For me, I prefer fish to meat. Good. Okay, abuna eka when say na anu, when you again. Hey. Hey.
Which one do you prefer?
Even your leg too.
Which one is your bird? Fish.
Okay, good. Okay, otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ. Mmadụ na-anọ na klaasị anyị n'ụbọchị nke taa si na faka wee nwee mmasị na gịnị na anụ karịa azụ. About 4 persons in our class today declared interest that they prefer meat to what? To what?
Fish.
To fish. Good. The next one we have agua. 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 Yes. Agua. Agua. That's beans. Agua. In our morning class, we also looked at agua too. I hope you know. Colors are called what? Agua. I hope you know. We looked at agua di chiche, different colors. Okay? Aha. So you will discover that they are of the same sounds. Sorry, they are of the same spelling, but different what? Sounds. Okay? This is what? Agua. Beans. Yes, this is beans. Nke a bụrụ gịnị? Moi, moi. You see, moi moi has no English name. Nke a bụ gịnị? Moi moi. Ọkwa site na agwa ka esi enweta moi moi. I hope you know we get our moi moi from our beans.
Yes.
Even akara. From what? Yes, beans. So, your moi moi, your akara, they are all gotten from what? Beans. So, when they do together, when they do chala, Ozo, aqua, that's egg. Aqua, nkabo, aqua, this is egg. Nkene na akụkụ abụrụ gịnị? Akara. Nke anyị tara n'ụtụtụ a. Akara. It looks like cookies.
Yes. Looks like cookies. With onions just by the side.
Yeah.
I like this thing.
Mm?
And those eggs look too
Okay.
fine.
Aqua. Akara. Nke a bụ akwa. This is akwa egg. Nke a bụ akara. This is akara. So akara doesn't have an English name. Some person will say it is a steamed bean. Some persons will call it a bean cake. Some person will call it a beans pudding, and the rest of them. But now we are teaching that akara has no English name. Akara bo afọ Igbo ya, and all akara page where Maria akara. Ayedesigo, unedechala. But they all say so. In the Canadian day, all say so. If you're still writing, please write fast. Ọzọ bụ gịnị? Okay, mmanya. Miri. You will now discover again that Iga Funa Nindos Mananka and Eri Manieri. Do we eat drink?
No.
And Eri Manieri Ungasemo Mba. And Eri Manieri and Eri Miri. Can you find a name, Mania? How do we take drink?
Drink.
So, Waswanya Nibo. Can you find a name, Mania?
How do you say lick in Igbo?
Hey.
I mean drink.
How do you say drink in Igbo? Okay, I have a drink to give someone in this class. Good. An uncle presents this drink. Listen up. Yes, this is my drink. Just like this. Drink. Manya. So if I have manya, I want to tell uncle that you want this drink. So how best will you tell uncle?
Where's that?
You have no clue? What happened to this? Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. Can I hear you say that again? Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. Can I hear you say that again? Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. Can I hear you say that again? Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. Again? Beautiful. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. Beautiful. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. So, anaghị ata mmanya ata, anaghị ata mmiri ata. Kedu ife a na-eme mmanya? A na-aṅụ mmanya. Ngwale n'anya ka dede okezie wee ṅụọ mmanya. So look at me as I take my drink.
You're making me jealous.
I don't say you don't like American class.
I like it. It was me that said
It tastes good. Asọrọ ụsọ.
Please put in my hand.
Say it in Igbo.
I beg you, I beg you, put in my hand.
Say it in Igbo.
Please don't look.
What is put in my hand in Igbo? Okay. I start thinking about it as we round up this class.
Can I say it in French instead?
Is this French summer camp? Igbo abụgịnị? Igbo summer camp. So ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịnata maazị okezie ife ị ga-akaba arụ sụọ ya n'Igbo. Okay, so round up this class with a class starts. Okay? We are looking at using this word. Ngwa geenụ ntị n'anya. Geenụ ntị ma na-ekwe n'anya. Just like our first task, today are you with me? We are using the word achọrọ m. Achọrọ m. And what? Achọghị. Achọrọ m and what? Achọghị. Achọrọ m na gịnị? Achọghị m. Okay? Achọrọ m and what? Achọghị m. I want. I don't want. Achọrọ m na gịnị? Achọghị m. Okay. 5 sentences with achọrọ m and 5 sentences with what? Achọghị m. 3, 2, 1, start. With the food we just treated now. With the food we just treated, start.
Make 3 sentences.
sentences I've asked you to make. 5 here, 5 here. Total of 10. Start. Achorum. And you know 5 sentences with what? Achohim. Achohim means what? I don't want. Achorum. Agwa. Achohim. Moi moi. But all the whole of achorum has to come first. Achorum, 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 achorum. You leave a line and start. Achohim, 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 achohim. See who finishes first. Might have a point. Start. So you have the food already written inside of your book. You can also use this word, okay? Achorom ịṅụ mmanya, okay? Achọghị ịṅụ mmiri. I don't want to drink water, but I want to drink what? I want to drink what? Maya, that's drink. I want to take some drink. I want to take juice. I want to drink juice. Okay? So we move. Five sentences with achorum and 5 sentences with achohim. Achorum, achohim. Little wanyonyi nguzi. Do I need to stroke for you? Let's stroke up. Yes, stretches. Okay. Achorum, achohim. Is it for you? So if this is your book, when you get back to your hostel, you can just start completing this, okay? Like, this for me, come and say half and more, that again, okay? Add them half for with your age, a scene, okay? Achorum data achicha. You know they were here before? Hmm? Arioku. Achorum data achicha. Achorum iriki apple. hard job. You did a hard job. So go complete it. Okay? Make 5 sentences with Achorom and make 5 sentences with Achohim. What's the writing? And this you go. So when you get to the place you want to actually, let me know. That's the first slide. Let's start. This. Achorom, Achohim, Achorom, Achohim. That's good. Seek. Idechala. Jide. Idechala. Well, you pass the apple again. Don't submit your book. Should I stroll? Did they come from? Let me see. Abanyoma, like
Stop rubbing it.
I must go. Well, no, I can't pay it. GBK. No, sweet potato. Nduku. Nduku. What's that in Igbo? Huh?
What is azu?
Why are you using English word? I'll tell Auntie to ask you to go and write from beginning. You don't use English. We are teaching you Igbo language. It's supposed to be written in Igbo language, not English. You're not writing achorum, fish, achorum, yam. It's supposed to be what? Achorum, azu. Irish potato with GBK. Okay, Mechi. Onye wanyi. Repeat after me.
Onye wanyi.
Nara ekele. Maka ihe mmụta anyị n'ụbọchị nke taa. You're not talking. Maka ihe mmụta anyị n'ụbọchị nke taa. Gọzie onye nkụzi anyị. Gọzikwa anyị nwe ụmụ akwụkwọ. Na Jesus. Amen. Ka ọ dị. Maazị Okezie ka ọ dị. Oriakụ Oge ka ọ dị.
In the evening we say, Wedoma, Wedoma.
Ambito.